To change spark plug on 1.4 TSI VW engine, you will need a cable tie to pull the ignition coil. You just wrap it around the connector and pull it. Later disconnect it, take it out. Here is the spark plug. For the spark plug you will need a torque wrench, 16 mil socket. Get it and push it and start unscrewing. Here it is. Either clean it or replace it with new if it's bad. Put it back. Here, screw it hand tight. Set your torque wrench to 25 Newton meters, or check for your own model what is the torque. Screw it back in. All done, don't overscrew it. Ignition coil back, plug in and push it back.
Guys, if you found this video helpful, please give us a like, subscribe to our channel, more useful and helpful videos coming soon. Thank you for watching, and until next time.